one mindset to help you be disciplined. No, think of the person you want to become. Every small act of discipline is a step closer to that version of you. Di po ba? Sinasabi nila manifesting, but you gotta be doing something. Di ba? Sabi sa Word of God, di ba? No discipline seems pleasant at the time. No, walang disiplina yung para bang masarap at the moment, but painful, masakit yan. But later on, however, sabi, it produces a harvest of righteousness and peace for those who have been trained by it. Kung tinatrain mo yung sarili mo to be disciplined, you will harvest. Diba? Ikaw din makikinabang. So, always think na kaya mo. Huwag mong isipin na hindi mo kaya. They are better. The thief of joy is comparison. Natutunan ko po yan na do not compare yourself. No, just be the best version of yourself. Always say, I can do this. Sa tulong Panginoon, kaya. Yun lamang po. God bless you.